This video will show you how to use Flodesk and Squarespace together to create an email list for a specific program. So I'm going to show you how to do this on my website. You go over 2 pages, and I already have a website page set up for a Squarespace workshop. So it's in my not linked section. Click on that and it pops up. So this is where you would design whatever workshop you're doing, and you can have as many as you want. So you can segment different lists for different workshops. So I have here, it's a Squarespace workshop, and it's a waitlist. So when I click on join the waitlist, it pops up. They send me their name and email address, and it goes to my email address. Now, how to get this to pop up is from Flodesk. So in Flodesk, in Forms, I have this created. So if you want to create a new form, you do this in Flodesk, new form. And you can scroll all the ones they have. A pop up with image 1, pop up with image 2, no images, a card. And you can put pop up, inline, or full page. Do a full page, and then you can choose if you want a background image and customize it. So let's do this one, and then you choose your segment. So I'm going to put Squarespace workshop, and then you can date it too and have it to be specific for your workshop, or if you have a title for it, and then you save. And then you can put an image, you can add more text, change the headline, make it all of your content. Now what you want to do, once you get this all done, you're going to hit next and click continue. I always click notify me because I like to know, and continue. I redirect to a URL because I want them to go back to my website. But if you want to display a success message, you could do that too. So redirect to a URL, and then you put your website there. Or if there's a specific page you want to take them to. And then you get this URL. So you're going to copy this. And then when you go back to Squarespace, click edit. You're still on the page. So for the button, that's where you want to edit. Go to the button, and you can put your text on the button and your link. So that's where I would put, you just copy and paste it into the link, and then it will take them there. You can also create an email workflow for that same. So once a subscriber has signed up for the workshop, then you could do a series of workflow emails for that segment, depending on how many days out it is and you want to do that. You can set it up that way as well.